If you've ever wanted to record just one app or program on your computer, maybe a web browser, a game, or your favorite music player, without showing everything else on your screen, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to record a specific window in OBS Studio, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to cleanly capture exactly what you want for professional-looking videos or seamless tutorials. All right, let's jump into it. The first thing you'll want to do is look down at the Sources panel at the bottom of OBS. Think of this as your collection of camera angles. But instead of physical cameras, these are all the digital sources you can record. To add a new one, hit that plus button. It's easy to overlook, but it's your gateway to all kinds of recording possibilities. Whenever you want to add something new, a webcam shot, a desktop recording, or in this case, a particular window, that's where you start. Now, in the pop-up menu, you'll see quite a few options. Go ahead and click Window Capture. This setting is designed for those times when you don't want to share your whole screen, just one particular window. It's perfect if you're demoing software, giving a presentation, or recording gameplay from a specific application. As soon as you select Window Capture, a Properties window will pop up. Here's where the magic happens. You'll get a drop-down menu labeled Window. This lets you pick exactly which open application you want to capture. Now, for your target window to appear in this list, make sure the program you want to record is already open and visible on your desktop. Sometimes, if the window is minimized or hidden behind others, OBS won't be able to see it. So if you don't spot it in the dropdown, just bring it up on your screen first, then check again. I get a lot of comments about this. Don't worry if your window doesn't show up right away. It's a common hiccup and a quick fix. While you're in these settings, take a look at some of the optional adjustments you can make. For example, if you're recording a tutorial and want viewers to see where your mouse pointer goes, you can enable cursor capture. Or maybe the image doesn't look quite right, and you need to tweak the capture method. Sometimes switching methods solves weird display issues, like missing overlays or black screens. You don't have to adjust anything unless you need to, but it's good to know these tools are here if your recording isn't quite what you expect. Once it looks good, click OK. You'll now see the selected window appear in your scene preview, right there in OBS. From here, you can drag the edges to resize it, position it wherever you want, or even stack it with other sources if your video needs more than one view. This is a great time to do a quick frame check and make sure everything is laid out the way you want before you start capturing. And now for the fun part, recording. Look over to the main control panel on the right. Normally you'll see a Start Recording button, but since I'm actually using OBS to record this very tutorial right now, it's showing Stop Recording for me. But for you, if you're just getting set up, you'll see Start Recording. Just remember, it's the same button, and clicking it will begin capturing the window you selected. That's really all there is to it. So that's how you can pinpoint and record just one window in OBS Studio. Super useful and way cleaner than recording your whole desktop. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit like and let me know any questions you have in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. I've got lots more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.